Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my best teacher box card. How much fun is this quirky little card? You have the pencil rainbow there in the front, a ruler, the apple in the back, and then that cute little paper clip. It says best teacher there in the front. It folds flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for a message, and of course I include an envelope as well. Now this box card style is a little different than the ones that we normally do, but that's okay. That makes it really fun and interesting, and this also fits into a 5x7 envelope. This is really easy to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, scraper, brayer, glue or adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, you can click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at all the different options and then select which one is right for you. For now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in, and I'll go ahead and enter my credentials, and now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the main navigation bar and head to the Files tab. This file is free, so it's available to all members. Those with free memberships can find the file in the Free Files page. Basic and Premium members will be able to find it in the file library. For this file, you're going to want to look for number 896. That is the Best Teacher Box Card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And to the inside tab piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the outside box piece, the inside tab piece, and the envelope, we can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish the score lines on the outside box piece. Just like that. I'm going to set it to the side just for a minute. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. I'm going to take our outside box piece, flip it over, and then attach that messaging panel to the back of the card. Go ahead and flip that over. And before we start to assemble all the different pieces, I'm going to add the little embellishment to the apple. Okay, just like that. I will set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and layer the inside tab piece. Before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish the tabs. Just like that. Let that go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the dark gray or charcoal color, the pink, yellow, and then the sentiment piece. I also have some little flowers if you want to add those to either side of the sentiment. I'm going to leave those off for right now, but I'll probably add those before this video is over. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I layer them together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. There we go. We have our cute little pencil rainbow. I'm going to set that to the side. Now we can take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue along this left tab. I'm going to place it here next to this score line. I'm going to line up my bottom edge there. And along this left score line here. Just like that. And then I will add glue to this right side and fold the outside box piece onto itself to attach it. Just like so. Fold that down. I'm going to add glue to this front left tab and attach the left side of the front cover panel, making sure to line up the edges. And I will repeat that for the other side and fold it onto itself. And then give the card a good fold. And there is our card. Now, like I said, I'm going to add those little flowers. Those are totally optional. There we go. I will set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Now we can make our envelope. For our envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, attach it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our best teacher box card is all set. What did you think of this card? Isn't it super cute? I love how fast it is. I love how easy it is. And I think that any teacher would really love to get this at the end of the school year. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.